Welcome to Berry Life, where we bring you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes every week. On today's episode, we're making a creamy, no-fuss hummus. Hummus is one of those dishes loved by just about everyone, and why not? It's delicious and can be a very healthy alternative to a lot of snacks out there on the market. While the market is saturated with different varieties of hummus, good hummus is surprisingly hard to find. So let's skip the heartache and make our own. We prefer our hummus to be light and creamy, with a good balance of flavors. This recipe only contains a few ingredients, so we make sure one ingredient doesn't overpower any of the others, allowing each flavor to come through and shine. Alright, so let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need chickpeas, and lots of them. For a creamy hummus, we want to remove as many skins as possible from the chickpeas. We'll also need lemon juice, minced garlic, about 2 to 3 cloves, some roasted cumin powder, and some sea salt or kosher salt. And hummus wouldn't be hummus without tahini or sesame paste, along with a good extra virgin olive oil. We'll mix it into the hummus as well as drizzle on top, along with some smoked paprika. If you're new to this channel, glad you could join us. Hit that subscribe button for more great content, and click that bell icon for future upload notifications. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. To get started, we're going to remove as much skin from the chickpeas as possible. This will give us that creamy hummus. There's actually a fun and easy trick to this without boiling. In a container like this one with lid, add the chickpeas, close the lid, and shake the chickpeas as much as possible so they smash against each other. This will help loosen the skins. Then just soak them under water and the skins will float to the top, which you can skim off. This is a fun step for the kids to do. Once the chickpeas are skinned, we'll add them to a food processor, along with a couple of tablespoons of water or the canning liquid. We're going to process the chickpeas first with just water before we add any other ingredients. To get a creamy hummus, we're going to process for roughly 4 to 5 minutes. In that time, the blaze from the processor creates a lot of heat. We don't want that heat damaging any of our other ingredients. So first, we process the chickpeas and get as close to our desired consistency as possible before adding the rest of the ingredients. This is good. Now we'll add the lemon juice, the minced garlic, cumin powder and the salt, along with olive oil. We're going to hold off on adding the tahini. We're going to incorporate all of these ingredients first and add the tahini in the last 30 seconds of processing. We want to prevent the tahini from heating up too much. That looks wonderful. We're close to the finish line. The texture is smooth, but not yet velvety, which is what we're interested in. Now we'll add the tahini, which is going to take this tasty chickpea mixture and ascend it to the pantheon of culinary greatness. Now we'll snap on the lid and give it one last go. We don't need to process for long, only about 30 seconds, or until the tahini is fully incorporated into the hummus. The hummus is ready, and that's all there is to it. No fuss, velvety smooth and creamy hummus. Doesn't that look amazing? Before we do a deep dive, we're going to transfer it to our favorite earthenware bowl, and then give it a little zigzag action to create some hills and valleys. And then drizzle on some more of that good extra virgin olive oil. And finish it off with a healthy dash of smoked paprika. There you have it, easy and delicious creamy hummus, right in the comfort of your own home. We like to enjoy it with some skewers of Kalamata olives and warm pita bread. This is a simple recipe that can be altered to your taste. So go ahead and experiment, and let us know in the comments below how you enjoy your hummus. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe so we can keep bringing you more great content, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag us on Instagram at BerryBerryLife. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and enjoy!